I just thought I'd make a quick video comparing some work lights. I know they have, or some people have done some videos on the AL815V, but I haven't seen any videos on the LumaStick 8. The reason I started looking for alternatives to the AL815V is because there doesn't seem to be any available for order anywhere. I don't know if they're discontinuing them or what. And then I came across the LumaStick, and they appear to be from the same manufacturer, or from the same Chinese plant. They're both made in China. This one is sold by a Canadian company, Maxxeon, and this is a KTC. This one can be had on Amazon US for $39.53. This one's only available on Amazon Japan for 28 yen, which is equivalent to $18.47. So even after shipping, you can actually get two of these for the cost of this one. Even though this was ordered on Amazon Japan at the same, or on the same day as I ordered this one actually showed up a day sooner than this one that was ordered on USA, or Amazon USA Prime. So I don't know what to say about that. It's kind of crazy that you can order something from a completely different country and have it arrive in 2 days. But I'll go ahead and open these up. This is the first time seeing the LumaStick. I've never had any of their products. The KTC, I've been using their products for a couple years now, and I really like them. So they both come with the exact same USB-A to USB-C cables. They're identical. The LumaStick has no literature inside there. KTC actually comes with specs, granted they are in Japanese. One thing I noticed whenever I first pulled this out, this actually has indents and it clicks in different spots. Where the KTC, it's just smooth. I've never had a problem with this, like trying to close or move on me while using it. So the KTC actually has 3 LEDs, one long LED on the outside when it's closed, a small LED on the inside, and then an LED on the tip. Where the LumaStik has a long LED on the inside, no LED on the outside, a small LED on the end. The KTC is a all plastic body, clip and everything. It does have magnets on the end, as well as magnets here on the outside. So it could be put on control cabinet and stuck that way, or that way, and then aimed down. Where the LumaStik only has a magnet on the end here. But it does have an aluminum body and a metal clip. I do like that. They both are USB-C. That's just the LED on the end. There's two settings for the longer, or the underneath, what I'm gonna call the underneath LED. There's high, there's low, and then off. The tail magnets seem to have about the same strength. On the KTC, there is, like I said, LED on the tip. The long bar on the outside does have two settings. So that's high. Let's see, that's low, and that's high. Click, it's a single button on both of them to cycle through the different settings. The underneath LED on this one only has an on and an off. After you cycle through to a specific setting, or specific LED and brightness, it will remember that setting after 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, when you click the power button, it's just off, and then when you click it again, it'll turn back on to that same or the last setting. Let's see if wait 3 seconds here or so. We're gonna see if it memorizes the last setting or if it starts over. Nope. This one you have to cycle all the way through. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. Ooh, I gotta say I don't like that it doesn't memorize or remember the last setting. I hope they restock and have not discontinued the AL815, because I do like the memory on this one, remembering the last setting, where this one definitely has to be cycled through to turn it off and on. I like the aluminum housing on this one, but it does add some weight. I like the metal clip. I have run into situations where, like on my tool bag, I'm leery of clipping this onto my tool bag because I think it's gonna flex that too much and snap that off. But this one seems sturdy enough that I could clip that on my tool bag without any issues. The joint here looks like it's narrower here than on that one. This one's a little bit wider. This appears to be a separate piece from here. I'm kind of wondering if I could gut one of these and change the LED out, or this LED bar out, so I could have the clip and aluminum body, but keep the memory of this one and the additional LED. Because for me, I do a lot of field work, and I like this LED on the outside because I can clip this on my shirt, so it's hanging, and then I can turn it on and then kind of aim it wherever I'm working. Where on this one, that's not gonna be possible. But it does look like there's another groove here that this clip might. Yeah. So actually, I guess this might work because it has a reversible clip. So I could still clip that on my shirt and aim down, but that'd be hitting my neck, where this one has a deeper carry than this one. Would have been nice if this whole piece was aluminum, so then this second position for the pocket clip could have been clipped up here. So, just a quick look for anybody that's interested in these smaller work lights.